The last 24 hours have been wild for the crypto market, and things are looking extremely bullish if you're a crypto investor. So today's video, I want to break down 3 important events and catalysts that have taken place that you absolutely must be aware of. First thing is that Ripple won in its case against the SEC as a judge ruled that XRP is not a security. This is a huge deal because this was an ongoing lawsuit that's been going on since 2020, and officially as of July 13th, a New York judge ruled in favor of Ripple Labs and said, according to the documents that were filed, that XRP token is not a security. This is a massive deal, and it has caused a snowball effect for the crypto market in a very short period of time. First thing is that we did see XRP has surpassed BNB and is now the 4th largest crypto in the world. We've seen that XRP's price is up over 50% in a single day, reaching prices that we haven't seen in over a year. It almost reached $1 per coin. And on top of this, we're starting to see that it's getting relisted on many exchanges. A top Canadian exchange relisted XRP. The exchange is called BitBuy, and now many people are expecting that Coinbase is going to relist it, and many more are going to follow in suit now that XRP is officially not stated as a security by the SEC. In addition to this, there's a few other major catalysts that are causing the market to absolutely skyrocket. First of which is that recently we saw an SEC lawsuit that stated that 68 cryptocurrencies were seen as securities. This included Cardano, Polygon, Solana, and many other of the top cryptocurrencies in the market. As a result of this, we saw Robinhood delist a lot of the cryptocurrencies they had, and a lot of issues and just fear in the market. But because XRP won in this lawsuit, many people are expecting that we're going to soon see the same thing happen for coins like Cardano, coins like Solana, and Polygon as well. So this has caused a sort of snowball effect for regulations in the US versus the crypto market, and people feeling a lot more bullish now that we saw that first step with XRP and the SEC. I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, FraXion. FraXion is a non-traditional real estate investment platform that will provide individuals, not just large institutions, with access to distinguished real estate development ventures side by side with large development groups and some of the most recognized institutional partners in the world. It's helping the little guy get into these massive real estate investment projects. FraXion is more than just a crypto. Tokens are backed by real estate assets, which ultimately ensure intrinsic value and security, and they offer a diverse range of investment opportunities, including residential, commercial, and industrial properties, getting across the entire spectrum of the real estate space, really. And FraXion has already sold its token in the first week of the STO, and the company has secured a funding round of $250,000. So they're already gaining massive support from both the crypto community and the real estate community. Real estate investors ultimately play a crucial role in maintaining liquidity of the platform by participating in fractional ownership of properties and by dividing properties into smaller units. Ultimately, security tokens will allow investors to enter and exit positions very easily, seamlessly, and security tokens also offer another range of host of benefits. They provide stable returns as investors can enjoy regular income streams, potential capital appreciation from the properties, and they also reduce the risks associated with physical property ownership. So whether you're a seasoned crypto investor, whether you're a real estate investor, and you're just starting your journey in the Web 3.0 space, FraXion token ultimately offers a unique opportunity to be part of a growing and thriving community. So definitely don't miss out on this opportunity. Check it out using the link in the description, and let's get back to the program. In addition to this, we've seen that BlackRock recently had refiled for their Bitcoin ETF, and according to a new report from a Bloomberg analyst, they said that BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, when approved, could unlock $30 trillion of wealth pouring into the crypto market. This is according to Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas. And according to him, he says that ETF is the format in which the boomers and financial advisors prefer their investments delivered in. And as a result of this, once we see this ETF approved, then it will cause a massive amount of wealth from funds to pour into crypto, into like these Bitcoin spot ETFs. Last few things I want to go over is going to be with Grayscale CEO. We also saw Grayscale CEO come out and say a few important things live on CNBC about crypto and Bitcoin just the other day. This is that Grayscale CEO came out and said that traditional finance's creation of Bitcoin ETF ultimately validates the future and resilience of the crypto market. He ultimately said that, look, now that we've seen BlackRock get involved, now that we've seen Fidelity get involved, now that we've seen these companies not only file for a spot Bitcoin ETF, but refile according to any sort of changes the SEC wanted, that is a very bullish sign for long-term investors in the crypto space, because seeing that all these people are getting into, all these major institutions are getting involved, that is a sign that it is going to get approved. It's just a matter of when, not a matter of if. And on top of this, we also saw that BlackRock CEO, Larry Fink, basically echoed the same sentiment. He said that Bitcoin spot ETF will democratize crypto, and ultimately we're just waiting to see, a matter of when the SEC will approve a Bitcoin ETF. And again, because this XRP and SEC lawsuit, what's been going on with Ripple Labs and the SEC, because that was, for the good, because we saw XRP not stated as a security, now everyone is expected a snowball effect for not only Bitcoin ETFs, spot Bitcoin ETFs, but also the other SEC lawsuits against crypto that are going on. Last few things I want to go over are going to be also what's going on in Europe, a few things with technical analysis, and with ARK Invest and Cathie Wood. We saw that Europe is going to be having its first spot Bitcoin ETF launching this month in July of 2023. This is a huge deal because previously Europe had not had any spot Bitcoin ETF. They had exchange traded products for crypto, but this is different than a Bitcoin ETF. Their first Bitcoin ETF is going to be listed later in the month. It's going to be symbol BCOIN on Euronext Amsterdam, and this is going to be a first for the crypto space and for a European exchange. What we're seeing is that all other currently existing products are exchange traded notes. Like I said, they are not ETFs. And now with their ETF, fund investors are going to be able to directly acquire and own the units of the fund that owns the Bitcoins. This is going to, again, attract more institutional investors, more big money players, and this is something that is very, very exciting. Now let's go over a few things in terms of charts and an important message from Cathie Wood about Bitcoin, Coinbase, and just the crypto market. Right now, what we're seeing with Bitcoin in terms of the charts, a few major things we need to point out. First of which is that Bitcoin has not yet broken through its 1 year high. We did set a 1 year high back in the beginning to middle of June of this year, so just a few weeks ago, and that was 31,500. We are trading just around that price right now. Even maybe by the time I post this video, we might have broken through it. But the thing is it doesn't matter where we are currently. We need to see on the weekly charts that Bitcoin breaks above $32,000 per coin and stays there, because we have not been able to do this over the last few years, and this is an absolute crucial level of resistance for the crypto market. You can see going back towards 2021, this level between 28,500 and 32,000 has been a very key level of both support and resistance. In order for us to, confirm this bullish breakout towards the upside, we are going to need to see a weekly close above $32,000 per coin. Once we do see that, I'm very well expecting us to rally up to $40,000 per coin very, very soon. But we have just been stuck in this range between 28.5 and 32 for quite a while now, and we need to see that confirmation before, we can go more heavily into, let's say, Bitcoin. Because right now people are very excited about altcoins, as we've seen this new announcement come out with Ripple Labs and the SEC. Last thing I do want to go over is with Cathie Wood. So recently, Cathie Wood, ARK Invest, sold 135,000 shares of Coinbase at a price of $90 per share. Right now, Coinbase's price is higher than this, but the thing is, and the important note in this for me that I want to share with you guys, is that Coinbase's price has gone from a low of $30 per coin all the way up to $100 per coin. It has, 3x'd in about a year, just year to date in the last 6 months. The important thing here is it doesn't matter what positions you have or how much money you have in a crypto or a stock. I would say it's more important to take profits along the way. Make sure you don't get too overexposed into one asset, whether that's one crypto or one stock, because while we have seen these massive gains, This is usually the time that no one wants to take any profit. Everyone is just extremely bullish on it, but it can never hurt to just take a little bit of profit. Never can hurt. I usually start seeing a lot of people post screenshots of their portfolios on Twitter, send me pictures of their portfolios, and when that starts to happen, usually that's a sign to me that people are getting very excited, starting to go have FOMO, just pouring all their money into the market. That's the time where I like to take a little bit of profit. So let me know your thoughts on the overall market. Things are looking a lot better right now. I personally have taken some profits, just not holding a lot of money in cash, but just reallocated and rebalanced my portfolio. So let me know your thoughts. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.